Good day to all of you. Today we shall solve model question paper 1 2023-24 of the subject Digital Design and Computer Organization with subject code BCS302. In that question number 3c, which is as follows. Implement y of ABCD equal to sigma m of 0, 1, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 14 using 16:1 multiplexer and 8:1 multiplexer. This carries 7 marks. Solution. The given function is this. It is given in the sum of minterms. Means these are product terms. Here the maximum minterm is 14. Here 4 input variables are there. Hence 2 raised to 4 is 16. So this can be directly implemented using 16:1 multiplexer. So 16:1 multiplexer will have 16 inputs. In that, input number 0, 1, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 14 must all be tied to logic 1 and remaining should be tied to 0 because sum of minterms equation means for these minterms the output is true or logic 1. It's a very straightforward kind of question and answer. So this diagram shows 16:1 mux. Mux means multiplexer here. So it has 16 inputs I0 to I15. Totally 16 number of inputs as I0, I1, I2, I3, I4, I5, I6, I7, I8, I9, I10, I11, I12, I13, I14, I15. So 16 inputs. And it will have one output, that is many to one circuit, that multiplexer. Here they have given output as Y only. So that term only we should write. Okay. Next, the sum of minterms means for those minterms the output is logic 1. So I0, I1, I6, I0, I1, I6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12 and 14. So which are given in the function. All are tied to logic 1. So these minterms are present in the function means for those minterms, for those inputs, the output is logic 1. Remaining will be logic 0. I2, I3, I4, I5, I13, I15 which are not here. So they are all tied and given logic 0. That is input side. To select any one of 16 inputs, 4 selection lines are needed. 2 raised to 4 is 16. So 4 selection lines. They are named as these inputs A, B, C, D. A, B, C, D. These are select inputs or selection lines. This is LSB of selection bit. This is MSB of selection bit. Hence S3, S2, S1, S0. In this order only, first it should be confirmed and then A, B, C, D must be written. So this is the implementation of given function using 16:1 mux. Okay. So next we shall see how to implement the same function using 8:1 multiplexer. 8:1 multiplexer will have 8 inputs and 1 output. To select any one among 8, 3 selection lines will be there. That is S0, S1, S2. Here S0, S1, S2, S3. 4 were there. There only 3. Okay. So here for 8:1 multiplexer, the inputs what are given in the function A, B, C, D, why they are written as it is. Next, what should be done here is for every 2 inputs, one group must be made. So every 2 inputs, one group means for 16 whole of 8 groups can be made. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. I0 to I7 means totally 8 groups are made. Next, for each group of 2 input combinations here, one input combination, second input combination, we have to observe Y. How it is varying with respect to one of the input variable. Any input variable you can take. Here I am taking D. So if D is 0, Y is 1. If D is 1, Y is 1. So for this group, first group, so Y is 1 only, whatever be the D, so y directly is written 1. In the second group, y is 0 whatever the D is. In third group also y is 0 whatever the D is. But in fourth group y is 1 whatever D is. Hence this output is written as 1 for this group. For first group 1, second and third group 0 0. For fourth group it is 1. So for next group y is 1 whatever the value of D input. So next group y is 1 whatever the value of D input. But here if you observe, if D is 0, y is 1. If D is 1, y is 0. So y is whatever the complement of D. Hence it is written as D dash. Similarly in last group, here if D is 0, y is 1. If D is 1, y is 0. Hence y is complement of D, that is D dash. Okay. These values will form the inputs to mux. This mux has 8 inputs because it is 8:1 mux. So for first group it is I0, I1, I2, I3, I4, next I5, I6, I7. Totally 8 inputs of the mux are found. Then we should draw 8:1 mux. So it has 8 inputs starting from I0 to I7. They are I0, I1, I2, I3, I4, I5, I6, I7. So 8 inputs. It has one output, that is Y output. Okay. So this can be written as Y output. Then 8:1 mux is drawn this way. It has 8 inputs, 1 output. So output literal is Y here. Input literals I0, I1, I2, I3, I4, I5, I6, I7. So 8. These will be data input. To select any one out of 8, 3 selection lines are required because 2�3 is 8. So that power value 3. That many number of select lines will be provided. So here LSB bit, MSB bit of selection lines. S0, S1, S2. So A, B, C inputs are given here. Then whatever in this table we have for I0 as 1, I3 as 1, I4 as 1, I5 as 1. So these inputs are 1. Hence I0, I3, I4, I5 all are tied. They are given logic 1. Okay. So next I1, I2 they are 0. Hence I1, I2 they are tied and that is given logic 0 input. Okay. So I6 and I7 are found to be D dash. D input is taken. It is connected to NOT gate. What comes here? D dash. That is given to I6 and I7. So I6 and I7 both are tied and they are getting the input D dash here. Okay. So this is the implementation of given function using 8:1 mux. So that completes the solution. I hope you understood. Thank you.